Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can view and download response in Google Form. For that you have to open Google Chrome application, then search Google Forms in Google Chrome. After that, just click on the link Google Forms free online survey. See, you can see the screen like this. Create beautiful forms for personal and for business purpose. After this, just click on the setting icon and then click on the desktop side. So your page will be look like this. Then click on the personal. Go to Google Forms. See, here you can see all the forms that you have created. Select the form to view response and to download response. See, this is my Google form that I have created. There are total 39 responses. Click on the responses. See, you can see all the responses here. There are total 3 tabs. First is summary, then question and individual. You can see summary of your Google form here. It will show you different chart for all the questions. After that, there is question tab where you can see all the question and their answer given by the user. And last, there is individual. Here you can see individual responses and their scores. See, you can change responses from here, individual, and see their answers and their points. Now, if you want to view respondent's name, their score, see there is a Google Sheet icon. Click on it. Then select the account for viewing this in Google Sheet. See, you can see date, time, then score, your respondent's name and their answer. Now, if you want to download the response, see, there is a setting icon beside Google Sheet icon. Click on it. There are different options. Select the option download responses.csv. Click on it. See, you can see the download. Click on the zip file and open with the available application. I have WPS Office. Because the extension of the downloaded file is .csv, you have to save this file in Excel format. For that, click on the tools and click on save as. Select the location where you want to save your file and change the extension of your file. Okay. and save it. Thank you.